Mommy.
Hi, friends! Are you ready to learn about body parts today? Let's have some fun and discover all the amazing parts of our body together. Let's start with the head. Hair, eyebrow, face, eye, ear. Hair, hair. Your hair is on top of your head. You can brush it or tie it up. Look at this girl brushing her hair so neatly. Eyebrow, eyebrow. They help show how you feel. When you frown, your eyebrows squeeze together, just like this boy who's feeling angry. Face, face. Your face is where your eyes, nose, and mouth are. Look at this cute baby face, so sweet and full of smiles. Eyes, eyes. Your eyes help you see. Blink, blink, and look around. Ear, ear. Ears are on the side of your head. They help you listen to sounds. Forehead, nose, cheek, mouth, tongue, teeth. Forehead, forehead. Your forehead is right above your eyebrows. Mom checks the temperature on the forehead right here. Nose, nose. Your nose is for smelling and breathing. This girl is sniffing with her nose to smell a flower. Cheek, cheek. Your cheeks are soft and on the sides of your face. Your cheek is so soft, perfect for kisses, just like this girl kissing her mom. Mouth, mouth. Your mouth is for talking, eating, and smiling. Your mouth can shout, just like this boy. Tongue, tongue. Your tongue helps you taste food. Look, the baby is sticking out his tongue. So funny. Teeth, teeth. Teeth help you chew your food. This boy is drinking milk to keep his teeth shiny and strong. Now, let's talk about the middle part of our body. Neck, shoulder, chest, stomach, waist, finger, hand, elbow. Neck, neck. Your neck helps you move and hold your head. Look, this boy is turning his neck to see. Shoulder, shoulder. Your shoulders help you carry things and move your arm. The boy is sitting on his father's shoulder, high up and having fun. Chest, chest. Your chest is here, in the middle of your body. The baby is hugging and cuddling her mom. Stomach, stomach. Your stomach is in the middle where your food goes after you eat. The baby is eating his food, and now his tummy is happy and full. Waist, waist. Your waist is where your pants sit. Look, these girls are having fun with hula hoop around their waist, spinning it round and round. Finger, finger. You use your finger to point, write, or even play. The kids are using their fingers to play rock, paper, scissors. How fun! Hand, hand. You use your hand to hold, wave, and give high fives. The kids are waving their hands to say goodbye. Elbow, elbow. Your elbow helps you bend your arm. Look, this girl is touching her elbow with her hand. The lower part of the body. These parts help us stand, move, and play. Knee, foot, heel, toe, ankle, thigh. Knee, knee. Your knees help you bend your legs. The baby is crawling on his knees, moving all around. Foot, foot. You use your foot to walk, run, and jump. The baby is using his feet to tap the ball. Kick, kick. Toe, toe. You use your toes to balance when you stand and walk. In ballet, dancers stand on their toes to look graceful and float like a fairy. Heel, heel. Your heel is the back part of your foot. You use your heel to stand tall and walk smoothly. Look at the tiny heel of this newborn baby. So small and soft. Ankle, ankle. Your ankle is where your foot and leg meet. When you stretch your ankle, it helps your foot move easily. Thigh, thigh. Your thigh is the top part of your leg. The baby is playing with his leg, and you can see his little thigh. So cute. Let's quickly revise all the body parts we learned today, one by one. Hair, eyebrow, face, eye, ear, forehead, nose, cheek, mouth, tongue, teeth, neck, shoulder, chest, stomach, waist, finger, hand, elbow, knee, foot, heel, toe, ankle, thigh. Isn't our body amazing? Now it's your turn. Can you point to your favorite body part? For more similar videos, please like and subscribe. Also, tell your parents to subscribe. See you next time. Bye!